am Likita, Pinnacle Blooms Network, Eluru. As an occupational therapist, I am working here. And today I am going to show and I am going to explain detail about 3D sensory board. It is used for the sensory processing issues who have tactile sensory problems. Like tactile means touching sensory problem issue. Like they don't touch the rough or hard surfaces. When it comes to 3D tactile foam sensory board, this is for only soft touching. Those kids who don't like touching of rugs, blankets, soft cushions, soft sofas or soft surfaces, it will resolve this problem, resolve the soft touching problem. As you can see, this board is a completely foam board with the 3D images 3D images or animals and different shapes of animals, so that they will get identification of animals and identification of shapes and colors. And also it will give eye to hand coordination activity to the kid also. Like they have to work with eye and hand coordinately, and they have to think how to fix the animal in particular shape also. And it will increase the pushing activity also, though some kids has a problem with pushing and they don't fix. Like starlings, if they can't fix the starlings, we can teach them initially, we can teach with the pushing activity. If you ask the kid to push, then he will learn how to push the uh, object. So and tactile sensation also, it will resolve tactile sensation also. That means they can able to touch soft surfaces after the sessions, after the therapies. And they can identify colors also. This is a foam based thing, no? So that's why it will resolve this soft tactile issue, not a hard tactile issue. Those who have problem with touching powders and all, it will resolve that problem. And these shapes will give their we will teach the shapes differentiation also, so that they will learn first thing shapes, colors, eye to hand coordination, gripping and pushing also, and tactile sensation also.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special edu healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.